Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I have an ASUS laptop here. This one is an ASUS X407m model. In this video I'm going to show you guys step by step how to open it up, how to replace the internal battery, as you realize that the battery for these models are not exchangeable or replaceable from outside. So pretty much what the company is doing to save some money and to spend less plastic, they just put the battery inside, or they don't want to put it accessible. So they have the service center getting more money. But you can do this by yourself at home, and it's really simple and easy. And the tools are not really complicated. The tools that you're going to be needing is a screwdriver set. I recommend you guys to get the UFIXTEK screwdriver set. Is really handy to have around the house. The bits are made out of S2 class steel. That means they're really toughened steel. They will last you much longer time comparing to a cheap brands. You want to grab a Phillips number 1 from this screwdriver set. Also, you need an opening tool. For the opening tool, you can get the pro version of this screwdriver set, which includes your tweezers and some wristbands for discharging yourself, or you can get a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick are really suitable to opening electronics, which is soft corners and soft edges. So with this tool, we're just gonna do the whole process. You probably will need tweezers, a little flat screwdriver, probably, depending the situation. I have this tool, I really like it. It's a kind of spatula, so I might get to use this one. All right, first thing first, you want to power off the laptop completely, and right at the bottom of the laptop, you're gonna see a whole bunch of screws. There are 3 sets of screws in here. The really long one, which are the back, mid, and the center. This is like a triangle right there. It's a really long one. And the medium ones are from the back corner by the hinges. This one over here, and the side ones. So there's 4 medium screws, 3 long screws, and 4 short screws, which are in the front end of the laptop. So you want to go ahead and start unscrewing the screws here and keep them in 3 different piles. Also, I realized that there is only 1% of my viewers are subscribing to my channel. If you guys find my content helpful and helping you guys out, and you want to support the channel, just click that like button and think about subscribing. I greatly appreciate it and helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer all the comments. Alright, now that we remove the screws, 1 set, 2, and the medium ones. What do you want to do? You want to open up the laptop. You want to grab the opening tool, put it between the top and the bottom, just squeeze it right in there, about 2 or 3 millimeters, and then now you want to just twist it towards the screen. Just pretty much trying to lift it up to the sides, to this side, by the USB go all the way to the back corner, to the left and right side. And you should see here some cracks. That's what you want to hear. And once you get the top portion open up, open the screen a little back and lift up from the front and bring it up slowly, because there's these 2 flex cable. We want to remove these 2 flex cable. To remove the flex cable for the keyboard, just put your fingernail right at the back by this black cover and just lift it up 90 degrees and then slide the flex cable backward. For the trackpad, the white cover must come up 90 degrees and then remove the flex cable. Now you can remove the palm rest. Alright, down here you can see the battery right here. These are really the 18650 batteries, CR18650 standard lithium batteries. To remove the battery, you need to remove 1 screw and 2 screws. So remove these 2 screws. Now I'm gonna use, instead of a screwdriver, this spatula. I'm gonna put it right there I'm gonna lift it up. You probably don't even need that with a finger. Just lift it up from this side, from here. You want to scoop it out, so you want to just twist it. So you're gonna see, I can grab my hand there, and then I'm gonna twist it while I'm pulling it to the screen, and it should get loose. So there's your battery. This is a 10.8 volt, 33 watt battery. The model for the battery is pretty long. I'm just gonna dictate it. I'm find the link for it. It's A31N1719-1. That's the model for the battery. Once you get the new battery in here, all you need to do is to scoop it back right underneath. Bring it, make sure this one right here has to get scooped right under. So align it, bring it, and then scoop it, squeeze it right in there. And make sure the screw holes in here matches. This cable is not getting pinched. This is flex cable, just bring it over. And now put the 2 screws for this one. One right there. This screw is really a thick one, so it goes by the hinge. The skinnier one goes right here at the back. Now you have the battery installed. All you need to do to grab the palm rest, bring it over, put the back side down, and slowly, gently close it down to this position. Now you want to open the lock. If this jack is locked, is closed, open it up. Slide the cable from the back side evenly. Make sure it goes straight, even toward the jack. Hold it there, and then close the lock. Same thing for this one. Open up the lock. This one goes from the front. Just about 1 millimeter has to go in. Hold it there, and with the other finger, just close it down. And there we go. Now you can just close up the lid, and then you want to pinch the top and the bottom cover, and you should hear some clicks. That's what you want to hear. Press the top back and press everything, and that should be all. Now close it down, and we're going to put the bottom screw. Again, I hope you guys liked this video and helped you guys out. If it did, please click that like button. If you have any question or request, leave them in the comment area, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. I'm just gonna finish up putting the bottom screws. Remember, the short screws goes in the front side, and the medium goes to the sides, to the hinge, all the way to the back, and the long one is the back mid and the center. And again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And there we go.